Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am also fine here. Okay, tell me, have you taken the breakfast? Breakfast is very essential. So you all have to take the breakfast, healthy breakfast on daily basis. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed your weekend also. So students, today is Monday, MON DAY Monday, 21st December, DECEMBER, December 2020. Okay, who will tell me what's the weather like today? Nowadays, it's sunny and cloudy weather, and sometimes it becomes windy also. And this is the winter season, and there is very cold outside, so you all have to take care of your health also. You have to wear woolen clothes, keep yourself warm and hot. You have to drink coffee or hot milk. You can use a chocolate also in the milk. So today our topic is a new way to fish. We have already done the reading of this chapter, and I have also stop here. Okay, I have told you the story also. This is the story about the fox and the bear who met each other, and fox had played a trick with the bear. Fox is a very clever animal. So 3 questions we have done before, and today we will do last 3 questions of this chapter. So our question number 4 is, firstly you will write exercise, answer these questions. And question number 4, what did he do? Means what did bear do? For fishing, what did bear do to catch the fish? So students, you can see in the picture that bear made a hole in the ice and stuck his tail in it. You can see the tail of the bear is inside the water because fox had told him that he can catch the fish with the help of his tail. So bear made a hole in the ice and stuck his tail in it. You will write the answer. He made a hole in the ice and stuck his tail in it. Okay, next is question number 5. When did he pulled up his tail? Means when did bear pulled up his tail? At night he put his tail in the water. He stuck his tail in the water at night. And now the question is, when did he pulled up his tail? Means when did he take out his tail? He pulled out his tail in the morning. You can see the sun is on the sky, and this is the sun. It's morning time and bear is taking out his tail out of the water. So we will write the answer. He pulled up his tail in the morning. Question number 6. Why was the fox lucky? So, who will tell me that why was the fox lucky? The fox was lucky because he never met the bear again. As you know that fox had played a trick with the bear. So, bear wanted to take a revenge with the fox, and the fox was lucky because he never met the bear again. So, you will write the answer. He was lucky because he never met the bear again. You have to do this work on your English literature copies in a very neat writing. Now I will show you the notebook, how to prepare your page. Students, now come towards the copy work. This is your English literature copy work, and first of all you will write the date, Monday, 21st December 2020. Topic, a new way to fish. Then you will write exercise, answer these questions. Question number 5. What did he do? I have told you the answers on the board. You will write the answers from there. Question number 6. When did he pull up his tail? You will write the answer from the board again. And then question number 7. Why was the fox lucky? After doing the written work, you will underline the topic and exercise with the help of colors very neatly. And complete your work. Send me the pictures. Thank you.